Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to look at how to use right triangle trigonometry to solve application. Example number 1. A person walks 50 feet away from a building. She measures the line of sight to the top of the building and the ground is 78 degrees. Find the height of the building. Round to 1 decimal place. So this person walks 50 feet away from the building. Now she measures the line of sight to the top of the building and the ground is 78 degrees. What is the height of the building? Since this person walks 50 feet away from the building, so that the distance between the person and the building is 50. We begin to think of what trigonometric function of the angle will use the opposite side and the adjacent side. Correct is tangent, so that to set up this problem, we will have tangent of 78 degrees equals to opposite side h over adjacent 50. Now to find h, we will have 50 multiplies to tangent of 78 degrees. When you use your calculator, be sure you should check the mode of the calculator in degrees, so that we find that h is approximately equals to 235.2 feet. Example number 2. A person looks out from a window in a building. She determines the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 32 degrees, and the angle of depression to the bottom of the tower is 20 degrees. If the distance between the tower and the building is 400 feet, how tall is the tower? Find the answer to 2 decimal places. Here comes the building, and the person looked out from the window in this building, and the tower. Now, as this person look at the tower, we see that there is an elevation to the top of the tower is 32 degrees, and the angle of depression is 20 degrees. Now we are going to look at the distance between the building and the tower, which is given to be 400 feet. The question is, what is the height of the tower? If we will add up the height of these 2 triangles, we can find the answer. Let's say one of the height is x, the other one is y. We begin to think of which trigonometry function of the angle will use the opposite side and the adjacent side. Correct, tangent. So then now, to set up the tangent equation, we have tangent of the angle 32 degrees equals to opposite side x over adjacent. To solve for x, we will multiply 400 to both sides of the equations. So then now we have 400 times tangent of 32 degrees. So that we have x approximately equals to 249.9477408. Again, we do not want to round the x value in here. It is because x is not the final answer. The final answer it is we need to add x and y value in order to find the height of the tower. Now, to find y, we begin to think of which trigonometric function will use the opposite side and the adjacent side. That's right, is tangent. So, tangent of 20 degrees equals to opposite side y over adjacent side 400. To solve for y, we will multiply 400 to both sides of the equation. So now we have y equals to 400 times tangent of 20 degrees. So that we find y equals to 145.5880937. To find the height of the tower, we are going to add x plus y. In other words, we have 249.9477408 plus the y 145.5880937, and we find that the answer is 395.54 feet. As we round the answer to 2 decimal places. Thank you for watching my video.